To start your Secret Santa event, visit MyRegistry.com and scroll down to our Secret Santa generator. Next, you'll create your account, and once you do, you'll be brought to your event dashboard. Once inside, you'll be able to create your guest list and customize the perfect invitations to send to them. On these invitations, you can include an event name and message, the date and time of your event, a spending limit, and more. Adding guests to invite is super easy. Just fill out a first and last name and include their email, WhatsApp, or phone number for a text message. Next, you can customize the exact message you want to send to them. After you're happy with your guest list and their invitations, allow our generator to draw matches for you. With this tool, you can even set exclusions and notify your guests of their matches. Finally, you and your guests can start adding to your gift lists. That way, everyone gets a gift they'll love. With our universal Add to My Registry button, you can easily add gifts from any store in the world. So why wait? Create your Secret Santa event now and have the best gift exchange.